Alright guys, so a little bit of an update, a little sneak peek. See what we got in there. Oh, I don't know if I want to show you guys yet until I get it on the stand. But we got some good stuff there. Some other good stuff inside here, but won't be using that yet. This one we will be using. These are the stock heads again, the E7s. Haven't done anything with that. I'll probably just clean it up and put them on for now until I get aluminum heads or something. But we got the block back from the machine shop. Alright, so let me go ahead and put it on the stands and show you guys what we got. Alright guys, so here it is. So we got a new cam, bearings, all the freeze plugs are new. It's been painted. We got all the sleeves cleaned out. It had to be bored 30 over. So right now we are at 30 over. Alright, so that's what we're looking at. Let me flip it around so we can see it from the top. Alright, so this is from top side. That's what we're looking at. Okay, so it was clean in the hat tank and the oven. So she's very crispy right now. Again, we got a 351 Windsor. So basically, I was thinking of doing the conversion to hydraulic, and I seen some guys that instead of tapping right over the journal or right over the bearing, they just tap a little farther away or something like that, from somewhere around here. But I want to show you guys the other little thing that we just got. Okay. Let's see, be right back. So there's gonna be two surprises in one for you guys. Alright, so let's see. Be right back. Alright, so here it is. We have a cam. I went with Nutty, and this one still is a flat top it cam. Alright, so see it in there. Still haven't taken it out of the bag, but specifications on this one, if I remember correctly, they are 490 with a 525, and should try to remember. 490 with a 525. I believe. Oh Jesus, can't remember. Let's see what it shows here on the specs. Here we go. So we got a 496 with a 525 and a 112 separation And if I'm not mistaken, it was a 280 and a 290 or something like that. Can't remember. But this is the thing. Gotta find out exactly what I'm reading at. So still 1.6 rocket ratio. So I think it's right there. But regardless, it's gonna be pretty nice. I do have to clean this engine before I put anything in there. I was gonna try to see if I'll do that tonight, but I won't be able to. I gotta clean this engine pretty decently. I gotta get some assembly lube and spray, clean it before I put anything in. Alright guys, so that's a little update. And yes, I do have quite of a mess going on. We have a 4.8 and a 2.7 from a Chrysler. The 2.7, somebody tried to rebuild it with a eBay crank and oil pump, and then like 2 months later took a dump. And the guy, still waiting for him to buy another engine because all the valves are bent. The crank is no good. So that's that. And the 4.8, some friend of mine gave it to me, and I still haven't looked into it or anything. I might build that for the Trailblazer, which I have. It's a 5.3 already, but what I'm thinking of doing, and that's an aluminum block, this is steel block 4.8, so I might freshen up this one, put it on the Trailblazer, down the road obviously, put it on the Trailblazer, because on the Trailblazer I gotta do lifters and whatnot, so I might just freshen up this one, get it ready, dump it in so that one can be on the road ASAP, and then that 5.3, do something with it, and then just swap over again once I'm ready to swap it. But I would like to have a Trailblazer somewhere around 500 if possible. That would be nice. Family cruiser. And this is for the truck obviously, so and we had a retab, a 1 or 2 of the water pump. They were just far too gone. Might still have some thread leftovers on one of these holes, but yeah. But anyways guys, like always, share, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.